Hello class, this is your first experiment, that is scientific technique in your syllabus. This is experiment number 1 under the unit 1, that is scientific technique. Okay, the aim of the experiment to study the dissecting part of the microscope. This is a dissecting microscope. What is the aim of the experiment? To study the part of a dissecting microscope. Okay, the requirement for it, that is the only the this apparatus. This is a dissecting microscope, and a dissecting microscope is actually a simple microscope that consists of one lens unit. See here, only one lens unit is here. It's only consists of one lens unit, and maybe an ordinary magnified glass. Such microscope are used to dissect out the material and or to observe the material which required less magnification. Okay, this one we used used to dissect the thing and to observe the thing which requires the less magnification. ठीक है, जिनके लिए हम less magnification की ज़रूरत होती है, then we use this one only, है ना. We have two type of microscope in our lab, that is the dissecting and the compound microscope. This one is the dissecting. This is first one. Okay. Now the dissecting microscope consists of the two parts, basically the optical part and the mechanical part. Optical part contain the plano-concave mirror, and the second one is the lens. Okay, the concave mirror focus the light. This one focus the light on the object which is the place on the slide over the stage. This one is the stage. Okay, and this one is the concave mirror, plano concave mirror. See here, this one, plano concave mirror. Okay, focus the light on the object which is placed on the slide over the stage. The slide is held firmly on the two clips. See here, this one is the clip. Okay, you just place your slide here, and the slide is held firmly by the two clips on the both the side. The mirror is an adjustable mirror. Okay, this one is the adjustable mirror. See, this one is the adjustable mirror. You can adjust it like this. Okay, you can adjust like this, like to focus on an object. Okay, next one is the lens. This one is the lens. See here, this one is the lens. Lens magnifies the object placed on the stage. This is the stage, and this magnifies the object. Now the second one is the mechanical part. Mechanical part, the first one is the foot. See here, this one is the foot. Okay, this one is the foot. It is a horseshoe shaped metallic structure. It is a lower basal portion of the dissecting microscope. The second one is the pillar and the limb. This one, pillar and the limb. The arise from the middle of the horseshoe shaped foot, reflecting mirror is connected to the limb. And the third one is the stage. This one is the stage. See here, this one is the stage. It is made up of glass or metal. See, it is made up of glass here. Yeah, this one is made up of glass, or in some one is made up of metal also. Okay, it is made up of metal. It is a central aperture for the passage of the light. Okay, and the third one, adjustment screw. This one, see here, this one is the adjustment screw here. This one. What is the function? By the rotation of this screw, distance of the lens of an object can be adjusted for a proper variability like this. See here, this up and down. See, by using this screw. Okay, now the second one is the folded arm. Folded arm is bear a lens through which this one is the folded arm. See, this one is the folded arm like this. You can use it like this, fold like this. Okay, this one. This is the folded arm. Okay, it bears the lens through which the object is seen. This arm bearing the lens is an adjustable metal arm. Now the next one, the stage clip. They hold the slide firmly in a place. Okay, see, this one is the holding clip. Okay. Now the clean working of dissecting microscope. First you have to clean and dry the glass stage first, this area, and after that place the object to the observe on the stage. Like here, you just place your slide here in this portion, and this fix it by using this clip, and place the eye close to the lens. See, like this here, यहाँ पे, and adjust the reflecting mirror so the object is illuminated. Like this one, you just adjust this glass according to this mirror, according to the object, and turn the adjustment screw up and down like this. turn your adjustable screw like up and down like this, and as the need maybe to get a sharp and a bright image on an object. Okay.